AELAB.
This is our office.
We are here to support the laboratory project from start to the finish.
This is our showroom. If you want to building a new lab, expanding an existing facility, or sourcing a completely lab solution, AELAB can provide all the steps and provide the solution to you.
We are professional for lab projects. This is our certificate.
The instrument you see here is a part of our project.
We check each machine before shipping.
We hold meetings for discuss the projects every week.
Here is our team: shipping department, purchasing department, sales team, technical support, accounting.
This is what we do every day, project by project.